On behalf of Precious Metal Classic Car Sales, I'd like to thank everybody for taking the time to view this video. Today we have a very special 1970 Buick GS455 Convertible. This car is one of 126 that were manufactured with a 4-speed during 1970. In its correct color now of Stratomist Blue and with the brown interior, it's believed to be a one-of-one car. It does have a lot of features that we're going to talk about in a little bit as far as what its pedigree is as well. Let's talk a little bit about the power plant of this car. This car features the GS455 engine, obviously. This is not a stage 1 car, but these made incredible horsepower. This car was rated at 350 horsepower, but carried an amazing 510 foot-pounds of torque, which happens to be even more than the 1970 LS6 Chevelle did. Now, it was not a highly optioned car. It does have power steering. The car retains its original manual brakes. And another special fact about this car, or a couple of them, this car actually was unveiled by Jason during the 2017 MCACN show, and then was further judged in that show to be an actual 999 point car. That's the highest level I have ever personally seen from our inventory. So there's a lot of pedigree with this car. It retains its original build sheet. And then of course, both of the MCACN certificates for the unveiling and the amazing restoration. And then of course, the Concours Gold Award. So those will be shown in the photo gallery below. This car features its original interior, which has been restored, of course, including new top mechanism, and all the gauges are functional. The power top does work. Does have the console. Does not have air conditioning. As I said, it was not a loaded up Buick GS455, but it's absolutely 100% just gorgeous in this interior. All those pictures be included in the library before. It's important to note too, this is the first time that this car has ever been offered to the public, and we are very excited to be the company that does that. One of the nice things about this car, or one of the most beautiful things to me, is this car is actually painted in Stratomist Blue. It's a beautiful color. It has the correct reproduction Goodyear Polyglass GT G60-15 tires. Does not have any types of beauty rings. It has a standard, what I used to refer to as the dog dish hubcaps. And it's just absolutely gorgeous on the exterior. Convertible top works 100% as it should. It's just an amazing example of a GS455. I'm excited for you to go for a drive in the car with us, and we'll see exactly what the car does. behalf of Precious Metal Classic Car Sales, I'd like to thank everyone for taking the time. Also, you will find all the photos of this car on our website at pmclassiccars.com. So check us out. I really look forward to talking with any one of you.